am out in my garage. It looks good compared to what it is. So I am basically just trying to get stuff organized. I am putting all my totes up. I have all that stuff up there. There's just a lot of gardening stuff. There's buckets. There's bee stuff up there. Honestly, I don't even know. Like, all these are empty canning jars. Over here, I have my canned goods. There's books in, like, it's just stuff that I don't have room for yet, but I really want it. My freezers are over there. I am just trying to get this less chaotic. I don't know if you can see everything, but this is what I'm working on. This is what I will be working on to continue working on. It's been a journey. Like, so the other day I finally just had to put stuff back in boxes and just work at it one day at a time, because it was actually, I had to see my counter, I had to see floors. But today I'm going to finish the garage, get everything organized, stacked nicely, and then as Jason, I did some videos. This is just a vlog of what today looks like. They are building shelves in the pantry, or in the closet. I do not have any food storage here, and anybody that knows me knows that I actually I have a lot of food storage. I have a lot of food to store. And so we have two in our master suite. There's 2 walk-in closets, and I was like, I don't need 2 walk-in closets. Some people might be like, what? But I took the one closet and turned it into a cash shelves, which I will show it in a video. I will show it to you. He just did measurements. We have 5-gallon buckets of food storage underneath with the gamma lids, and then we have our cans out there, in there, and then and yes, that was more important to me than my closet being done. I wanted my food storage because there were so many boxes that I can empty and put it away, and it just creates brain space for me. And the closet, we had that one rack, everything was fitting on there, and I can make that do. I had to kind of, there's a list like this long of stuff that needs to be done, and like the master bedroom does not have flooring, and honestly that is pretty low on my list because it's functioning like it is. I want shelves. I want shelves everywhere. I want bookshelves. I want can shelves. I want tote shelves. I want shelves everywhere. And so that was actually higher on our priority list than for me to have a floor in the master bedroom, and for me to we walked into some problems in the master bath, and so we have to look at that. And honestly, we have a functioning bathroom, so that's just going to be on a later date. I don't know. There was too much moisture in there, so I had dehumidifiers going, and we're just taking one day at a time. So today we are working. I'm going to put a clip in here of what the closet looks like. Dennis is here helping. The kids are loving when Uncle Dennis comes over, and he is putting together McKenna's bed. I think he's going to hang some mirrors for me in the bathroom, maybe hang a medicine cabinet, and just trying to get some of that stuff off the floor. And I absolutely am so appreciative. Like last night they brought dinner over, and we just had a good night of just making plans of what it looks like. So yeah, super excited. But here you go. This is what we're doing today. I honestly don't know what this afternoon looks like, what all we're going to do, but this is going to be a short and sweet video, and we are moving shelves. So anyway, have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. And this is the project we have been working on. So this was just, we tore out this whole closet. It's really hard to get. It was just a blank slate. We have not put flooring in. I don't even know if there's going to get flooring put in here. However, this house had 0 food storage, and anybody that knows me knows that, well, there's a lot that I need food storage for. So he took this whole closet and he's building it. There's Jason. he's building it into food storage. So I have all these can shelves. On the top I can put totes, and on the bottom I can put the 5-gallon buckets, like all along the bottom. So he first built this side of this whole wall, and then he built this wall, and now he is connecting them. So this is a closet. It is in the master suite. Guys, you just have to be creative and figure out what works. So over here is, I have two closets, and I don't need more than one. So we just put this rack in here. We tore all of this out. This is gonna get shelves put in and designed. So sorry, that's loud, but yeah, we will build custom shelving and closets over here, and on the other side is gonna be food storage.
Okay.
So today Uncle Dennis shows up, and we are putting together McKenna's bed. So they are having so much fun helping him build the bed.